Today, I'm going to show you from a student perspective how to find teacher feedback on graded assignments. So right now I'm currently in a course, and as you can see, there's unit folders and all the materials that a teacher has assigned me. But I'm going to go to the grade option here. So it's going to show me my grades. And immediately I'm noticing that there are grades posted here. There are also comments posted here. Now, the comments that you're seeing here are tied to the assignment or the assessment on the left-hand side. If I want to see the assignment, all I would do is click on this link. And as you can see, it opened up a new window, a new tab, and it's showing me the actual assignment. But what I want to know is, here's my grade. Here's what I've earned. Now, this is straight out of points. There's no rubric tied to this assignment, so you're seeing an 8 out of 10. You're also seeing a comment from my teacher, and it's a direct bit of feedback that is probably a big picture item. You also may see a teacher say to you, please come see me for extra help, please redo this assignment, or please come see me. So that's something you might see pop up here on the right-hand side. You'll also see symbols if you are missing an assignment. The teacher might put the missing and a 0 in, and that should be your bells and whistles saying, ooh, I may need to reach out to my teacher, or I need to complete this assignment as soon as possible. Now, this assignment here has this interesting window, and that's actually a rubric. So this teacher, for this assignment, attached a rubric to my assignment. And I open up the rubric, and I can see, oh, I got an 8 out of 10. Okay, so I'm proficient. I'm doing a good job. But where's the feedback? Now, the teacher is not putting the feedback to the right-hand side, or if your feedback is not on a paper or a PDF, so if you're using Kami or if you're using Google Docs and the teacher is putting feedback on the actual document, another place a teacher could put feedback for you is within the rubric and on each individual rubric strand. If I put my cursor over this little speech bubble, look what happens. I get some feedback about this specific strand and what I need to think about. Oh, that's why I got an 8 out of 10 instead of a 10 out of 10. I need to think about what I could do better next time. So these are some great little tricks to find information about how you're performing or why you earned a certain score. This is really important for you to be aware of as a student, and I hope this was helpful today.